before we will see the some relationships between the rectangular, cylindrical as well as in spherical coordinate systems. Okay, now let's move on to the some simple problems to the some advanced problems based on this coordinate system. Okay, let's see the first question. Here the question be the represent a point 0 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, 0 comma 1 comma 1 means that point be in the rectangular coordinates, right? Rectangular coordinates means that be in the x, y and as well as n z, right? Here my xyz points be the 0 comma 1 comma 1, right? Here x will become the 0 and y will become the 1 and as z will become the 1. Okay, now what I have to do means 0 comma 1 comma 1 in cylindrical system as well as an spherical system. Okay, what will be the formula for the cylindrical systems? And you will know the parameters, right? Range of parameters for the cylindrical coordinate system, that be the rho comma phi comma z, right? For cylindrical coordinate system we have to be find what will happen to this. Here you can see the formula for the rho in the previous table. Please open that table and you can see the result, that be equal to root of x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square means that be the 0 square plus 1 square, that be equal to root 1, that be equal to 1. Okay, and what will happen to the phi? Phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. What will be the y? Y be the 1, that be equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by what will be the x? X be the 0 and that will be goes to the infinite. Anything by 0, infinite means the tan, that will become the 90 degrees. So this will become the pi by 2 and as well as in rho phi z, z be the same, z be the 1. Okay, next we completed our cylindrical system and as well as in we have to be do our spherical system. The range of parameters for the spherical system be the r comma theta comma phi. Okay, you have to be find out this r as well as in theta and as well as in phi. Okay, you already know the formula for then r be equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, what will happen to the x be the 0 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that be equal to square root of 2. Okay, and what will happen to the theta be equal to cos inverse of z divided by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, here you can see cos inverse of z be the 1 divided by square root of x square plus y square plus z square, that be the square root of 2. Okay, this be equal to pi by 4 and as well as then phi. What will happen to the phi? R theta and phi be equal to tan inverse of y by x, and here you can see tan inverse of y be the 1 divided by x be the 0, so here this be equal to pi by 2. Okay, and here you can see I just want to write our results. My result be the 0 comma 1 comma 1, that be equal to here 1 comma pi by 2 comma 1 for the cylindrical and as well as in for spherical, that be equal to root 2 comma pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Okay, this be your answer. Okay, you can observe in this problem how simple this problem be like, right? If you know the formulas, if you just know the formula, just put it into your formula, you will get your answer. Okay, that's the beauty of the table. If you remember that table, okay, in the before class table, That be very very simple. If they will be given any type of question like this, it be very simple. Okay, here you can see, find the distance between, next question, find the distance between the points. 2 points they will be given, 0 comma 0 comma 0, and as well as in B they will be given 2 comma minus 50 degree comma minus 1. Okay, and you can see this distance between the points. Okay, in the mathematics you already know, if there will be a straight line like this. Okay, if you want to find this be the x1 comma y1 and this be the x2 comma y2, how you can find out the distance between the straight line of the 2 points? That be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this be the formula, right, in the mathematics point of view. And what they will be given, a be equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. For example, if I will be taken this be the x1 be the 0 and y1 be the 0 and as well as an z1 that be equal to the 0. Okay, but here you can see the trick. In the next b they can't give in the this like in rectangular coordinates, right? You must have to be think like that. This be in the xyz, that be like an xyz coordinates, that means rectangular. Here most of the students get confused. This be not be the rectangular, just to think this be the cylindrical, right? Here row, our row be the 2 and here our phi be the rho theta, right? Range of parameters for the cylindrical, rho phi and z. Rho phi be the minus 50 degree and rho phi z be the minus 1. Okay, now what the next step we have to be chosen, that's be the target. Here you can see, if you want to take in this be my rectangular coordinate system, I just want to represented this rectangular to the cylindrical. What will be the formula in the table? That be the x is equal to rho cos phi, right? Here rho be the 2 into cos of 50 minus 50 degrees. Okay, and here this be equal to 0. Like 643, like something like that. So this will become the 1.284, like that you answer will get. Okay, approximate answer. Next what I have to do, we have to find out your y. What will happen to the y? y2 that be equal to rho into sine phi, that be equal to rho be the 2 into sine be the sine of minus 50 degrees. Okay, 2 into this be the minus 0.543, like that. So you will get an minus 1.54, how much? Minus 1.532, and as well as in z be the z, right? Z2 be the minus 1. Now we will get our target. Just put it in our straight line equation. Here this be equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, right? Here you can see x2 be the, how much you will get? 1.28 minus x1 be the 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 be the minus 1.532 minus y1 be the 0 whole square plus, here you can see z2 be the minus 1 minus z1 be the 0 whole square. Okay, here this will become the square root of 1.28 whole square plus 1.532 whole square. Okay, plus 1 whole square. Okay, you will get an your answer be the, if you put it in your calci, you will get an answer be that just like in 4.99, and you will get an your answer be the 2 point some 83 like this. Okay, this be your answer, 2.23, 2.23. Okay, in this way we can do the problems on the cylindrical sorry, coordinate systems. In the next class we will try to see the some more advanced level of problems based on the coordinate systems. Okay, that problems is very very important, okay, for your examinations point of view. Okay, these questions be the somewhat simple, okay, not that much of tricky. Okay, in the next class that be the very very important. Thank you.